All right, it's time to take a look at this air filter. Now, because I have a snorkel kit, we have these type of brackets. They did throw a couple of these on just for cosmetic reasons, basically. They weren't really doing that much. But to make this project a little bit easier, you certainly want to disconnect this air hose. You got to disconnect this vacuum hose to the air filter box. And now we're going to just lift this air filter box right off. Just take a look inside. Looks pretty good. It looks like it's the proper size air filter, but we're going to find out. Here's the old one, and that's the intake side. The air coming in, you can see it's a little bit dirty. Not terrible, but you know, certainly change it. And that's that's where she goes. Anyways, we're gonna get that new air filter. We're gonna see what it looks like. I'm gonna inspect it and decide if I'm gonna put it in or order another one.